Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. In our previous classes, we have covered rules from the topic pronouns. Okay. So right now we are going to discuss certain questions on basis of that. Okay. So here is the first slide. Here is the first slide. Okay. First sentence says, when I saw a baby, I was unable to say whether she was girl or not. What is the error here? When I saw a baby, I was unable to say whether she was a girl or not. No. Try. No. When I saw a baby, baby is which kind of noun? Which kind of noun it is? हाँ जी मैम. Common noun. Neuter भी कह सकते हो. Gender क्या है? Neuter. You don't know the gender of baby. When you do not know the gender, then it should be whether it was a girl or not. आप she कैसे लगा रहे हो? You don't know the gender. How you can put he or she? It's a neuter gender. It's a neuter gender. And if it's a neuter gender, then you are going to use it instead of she. Got it? Next one. This notebook is not yours. Perhaps it is her, so you should not take it. This notebook is not yours. Perhaps it is her, so you should not take it. Yours is right. See, in first case, they have used this notebook is not yours. Yours is what kind of pronoun? Possessive. Possessive pronoun. Then why you are using her here? Shouldn't we use hers? दूसरा possessive use नहीं होना चाहिए. Yours के comparison में क्या आएगा? Hers आएगा. Same case of pronoun has to be used. Next one is, next example is in front of you. Who does not help Deepak and what goes wrong with him? We are curious to know it. No. What you are curious to know about? वो तो pronoun या noun तो कुछ होना ही चाहिए. Verb के बाद कोई noun, pronoun, object case तो लगेगा. We are curious to know what? It. Who does not help Deepak and what goes wrong with him? We are curious to know it. See, who does not help Deepak? Does के साथ help लगा है, this part is correct. And what goes wrong with him? Helping verb है, main verb है, wrong with him, object लगा है, everything is right. Next is, we are curious to know it लगा है, right. There is no error. No error in the sentence. No error. Got it or not? Next one. Next question is, herself is a teacher, but she doesn't avail herself of the chance to prosper. Doesn't avail herself of the chance to prosper. We have discussed one thing regarding reflexive pronouns, that there are certain words like avail, acquit, reconcile. right? Avail, acquit, reconcile, absent. There's a list of verbs which will always take a reflexive pronoun after them. Reflexive pronoun कौन से होते हैं? All those pronouns जिनके पीछे self या self लगा है, ठीक है? जैसे कि myself, yourself, herself, itself, himself, themselves, ourselves, है ना? वो कौन से होते हैं? Reflexive pronoun. तो यहां से तो ये सही है, but you are not supposed to start a sentence with reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun से sentence start नहीं होता. It should be nominative case she. Nominative case of pronouns, हाँ जी, कौन सा होता है? What is the nominative case? Nominative case of pronoun, objective case of pronoun, possessive adjective, possessive pronoun. When pronoun is acting as a subject of the sentence, then it has to be in nominative case. यहाँ पे ये subject की तरह behave कर रहा है. When pronoun comes as an object of a sentence, then objective case. I का, me, she का, her. When it is coming with noun, then possessive adjective. When it is away from the noun and shows possession, then possessive pronoun. These are the 4 different cases of pronouns. Nominative case, objective case, possessive adjective, possessive pronoun. और जब pronoun as a subject of the sentence है तो reflexive pronoun कभी नहीं लगता. It should be in nominative case. Got it? Next one. Among the boys and girls, 8 boys love each other while 2 girls hate each other. Any idea? See, among the boys and girls, yes, good. Among the boys and girls, 8 boys हैं. It's a case of 8 boys. We have discussed a category of pronouns known as reciprocal pronouns. 2 टाइप के reciprocal है, कौन से? Each other and one another. Each other is used. Reciprocal means reciprocate करना एक दूसरे को. When there is a case of 2 only, when 2 items, 2 things, 2 persons are involved, then we use each other. When it is more than 2, then we use one another. अब 8 boys हैं, they are in friendship with each other, तो love each other नहीं, one another. और यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 girls हैं, they hate each other is correct. ठीक है? Next one. Only one of the girls that have secured first class, she is both laborious and intelligent. Huh? Only one of the girls that have secured first class, she is both laborious and intelligent. What is laborious? वैसे ही, just for knowledge, what is laborious? Laborious is hardworking. 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 Diligent. Industrious. ये सब क्या है एक दूसरे के synonyms. Laborious, diligent, industrious. Synonyms. वन ऑफ द के बाद कोई भी नाउन या प्रोनाउन आए, दैट शुड बी इन प्लूरल. सो दिस गर्ल्स इज राइट. Guys, only one of the girls that have secured first class is both laborious and intelligent. What is the use of this pronoun again? दोबारा से pronoun लगाने की जरूरत क्या है? इसके बिना भी तो सही है. There is no need of pronoun here. Next one. For those who live by themselves, television provides a good company. हाँ जी. For those who live by themselves, television provides a good company. See, this is a subject. Those people who live by themselves, ठीक है? Those people who live by themselves, अपने आप उनके लिए टेलीविजन एक अच्छी कंपनी है. No error. Totally correct. Next one. She was the most unpleasant person whom I had ever met. This sentence is talked about she. This sentence is about she who is the most unpleasant. The लगा है superlative degree. Unpleasant person बिल्कुल ठीक है. Unpleasant, more unpleasant, the most unpleasant बिल्कुल ठीक है. जिसे जितने भी मैंने पहले मिले हैं, whom किसके लिए लगा है? पर्सन के लिए. whom I had ever met. बिल्कुल सही है. करेक्ट. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन. Unfortunately, I can't come to your wedding because my exams begin on that day. We discussed that there are two things, possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. क्या चीजें हैं? Possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Possessive adjective जो है वो noun के साथ यूज होता है, लेकिन possessive pronoun जो है they are used away from nouns. बार बार रिपीट करवा रही हूँ आप लोगों को लॉजिक्स जो पिछली क्लास में ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं, so that you should not miss the reason behind why I'm finding out the errors. Where I'm finding out the errors. Unfortunately, I cannot come to your wedding. नहीं, your wedding. Your wedding. Next one. The shopkeeper said the fault was the manufacturer's responsibility. है हाफ क्वेश्चन तो आप ऐसे ही पूछ लेते हो मुझसे, एरर है या नहीं है. हाफ द क्वेश्चन इज सॉल्व्ड कि नो एरर तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है जी. Who said? The shopkeeper said the fault was whose responsibility? Said the fault was manufacturer की responsibility. Manufacturer की responsibility. Responsibility. Possessive केस बोल सकते हो या फिर apostrophe आएगा इसमें. Apostrophe is manufacturer की responsibility. Next one. Payal as well as her friends absented themselves from the class because it was the day of Bihar Bandh. लॉजिक हमें याद आ जाएगा, लेकिन स्टिल क्या करेक्ट करना है बताओ. themselves तो लिखा ही हुआ है. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन नहीं आता एब्सेंटेड के बाद. Payal as well as her friends. सी क्या आएगा? नहीं, ये तो कोई लॉजिक नहीं है. When two subjects are joined by as well as accompanied with unlike in addition to, मतलब other than that and, अगर यहाँ पे and ना होकर किसी भी और कंजंक्शन के साथ ये joined है, जैसे कि as well as, in addition to या something like that, जो यहाँ पे क्या है? as well as. This is Payal, singular subject. as well as के बाद plural subject. ठीक है. They were absent on some day. दूसरा लॉजिक कंबाइन करती हूं. एब्सेंट जब वर्ब की तरह बिहेव करता है, जब वर्ब की तरह बिहेव करता है तो इसके बाद क्या लगता है बच्चे? रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन लगता है. When absent behave as a verb, it will always take reflexive pronoun, जो इन्होंने लगाया है. बट क्वेश्चन ये है, ये रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन लगेगा? दिस इज रॉन्ग. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन लगता है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द सब्जेक्ट, और इस केस में व्हेन सच कंजंक्शंस आर यूज्ड, देन द प्रेफरेंस इज गिवन टू द फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट. दिस इज द फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट व्हिच इज सिंगुलर. दैट्स व्हाई इंस्टेड ऑफ themselves यहां पे आएगा herself. It's a combination of subject verb agreement plus pronouns. I am explaining you one point here. I'll explain this later in next chapter also. I am explaining you when two subjects are joined by as well as. ठीक है. तो जो आगे का जो pronoun या adjective use होगा, that will be in accordance to the first subject. If your first subject is singular तो singular लगाओ, अगर ये plural है तो plural लगाओ. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे इस तरीके से themselves की जगह herself आएगा. Next case. None of the two questions is correct, so I am unable to solve them properly. Distributive pronouns. Neither and none. When there is a case of two, use neither. When there is a case of more than two, use none. They said two questions. दोनों में से none of the two questions is correct. दोनों में से दोनों question सही नहीं है. Then you have to use neither in place of none. अगर none होता तो you could have written none of the 5 questions. Then this statement would have been correct. दो से ज्यादा का केस होता था. What is either? There is another word, either. Either is one out of two. Neither is none out of two. Explanation बता रही हूं बस. None is none out of more than two. More than two. Both is two out of two. Got it? Yes, that's why I was giving chance to you people. बार बार statement को पढ़ के पता चल जाता था there is some error. Here we need to use दोज डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन, उनके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो शीशे के घर में रहते हैं, जो खुद शीशे के घर में रहते हैं, वो दूसरे के घरों में पत्थर नहीं फेंकते, राइट? तो दोज इज इंपॉर्टेंट है। नेक्स्ट वन, करेक्ट। वन ऑफ हमेशा प्लूरल में से होगा, दिस इज राइट, बट वन ऑफ हमेशा प्लूरल में से होगा इज राइट। आगे हमारा प्रोनाउन कौन सा है? रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन है। रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन क्या होता है? दोज हु टेल अबाउट प्रीवियस नाउन और प्रोनाउन एंड रिलेट देम टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस। जो एंटीसीडेंट वर्ड है उसको रेस्ट ऑफ सेंटेंस के साथ रिलेट करने वाले प्रोनाउंस को व्हाट वी से रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस। नाउ इफ देयर इज अ प्रोनाउन और नाउन हियर, then it is followed by a relative pronoun, then it is further followed by a verb, it is further followed by a verb, then this verb has to be in accordance to the noun, it should have rather than has. You and he tried his best to pass the examination last year. और कुछ? I told you the order that day, that in normal sentences the order should be, what should be the order? Dash tried his best to pass the examination last year. Two, three, one. So this is the right. What is the error there? हाँ, his best नहीं, plural case नहीं बन गया? Subject 1 and subject 2 plural. Next one. The financial advisor and finance officer has neglected their work. And neglected means ignore कर देना. See, no. Listen. This, the finance advisor and finance officer. These are two different people or one? One. ये एक ही इंसान है, क्योंकि आर्टिकल जो है सिर्फ एक पोस्ट के साथ लगा है। अगर होता द फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर एंड द फाइनेंस ऑफिसर, देन दीज पीपल आर टू। अदरवाइज ये एक ही पर्सन के बारे में बात हो रही है। द फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर एंड फाइनेंस ऑफिसर हैज नेग्लेक्टेड हिज वर्क। ठीक है, अगर दोनों के आगे आर्टिकल लगा होता तो वो दो अलग अलग पर्सन होते। नेक्स्ट वन, वी ऑल वेंट टू दिल्ली बट यू, he and I committed a blunder in the hotel. Yes, where is the error? Commitment, when there is a guilt or mistake has to be admitted, then the order should be 3, 2 and 1. Sorry, 1, 2 and 3. It is I, you and he. Next one. You should always avail of this golden opportunity. You should always avail, again reminding, acquit, reconcile, adapt, etc. will always take रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन आफ्टर देम, अवेल के साथ क्या लगेगा? याद होगा, नोटबुक खोलोगे तो याद होगा बेटा, नहीं खोलोगे तो नहीं होगा. I know I have taught. I've already covered this in previous lectures. Yourself आएगा. I didn't get your point. You के रिस्पेक्ट में yourself आता है. Depending on she होता, one होता तो oneself आता, she होता तो herself आता. कटना क्यों है? Yes, this is a subject, that is a reflexive pronoun. Every one of them received one's prize on the 2nd of this month. See, everyone is which kind of pronoun? I told you that day, if you remember. Indefinite pronoun. This is indefinite as well as a singular. Indefinite as well as singular. तो यहाँ पे once तो one के साथ लगता है when one acts as a subject. जब one किसी चीज का subject होता है तो वो possessive adjective one और oneself अपने साथ लेता है, तो ये तो concept ही नहीं है. तो इतना पता है कि error तो यहाँ पे है. अब every one of them, उनमें से हर कोई, जब gender पता नहीं होता, what you call it? Every one of them received his prize on the 2nd of this month. She is always eager to enjoy to her heart's content in any party. I'm tired of explaining one thing again and again. Enjoy, acquit, avail, reconcile, pride. I have told you many times. Enjoy के बाद क्या लगेगा? Reflexive pronoun लगेगा. अगर आपको enjoy के बाद नहीं पता है कि उसने क्या enjoy किया, then reflexive pronoun is must. If I say she enjoyed the party, यहां पे reflexive pronoun लगेगा? No, no, क्योंकि पता है what she enjoyed. यहां पे reflexive pronoun नहीं लगेगा, लेकिन she enjoyed during the vacation. Here, yes, here reflexive pronoun is required because we don't know what she enjoyed. So she enjoyed herself during the vacation. Getting this or not? The person which was recommended for the position did not fulfill the prescribed qualifications. Doesn't suit na, which is not suiting है. और especially human being के case में you always put who, which is normally used when you have to choose one out of two. Which of the two shirts, which of the pants, which of the trousers, ऐसे use होता है. Otherwise which of the brothers, दोनों में से एक भाई कौन सा. Otherwise who is better, relative pronoun. Whenever you speak, take care that other are not hurt by your words. Other नहीं, other नहीं, other suit कर रहा है. Other, you are talking about the other person only. You are talking about जब भी तुम बोलते हो, you need to take care कि तुम्हारे अलावा other नहीं, others are not hurt. Plural. या तो other के साथ is लगा दो, नहीं तो other is singular, other is singular and others is plural. Got it? Whenever they go, whenever they go, they के रिस्पेक्ट में उनका पेट डॉग है ना, फिर उसका नहीं हो सकता ना. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वन. What should we do is a matter of our own choice and desire. Guys, listen. See. टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस पढ़े हैं ना हमने. कौन सा सेंटेंस है ये? इंटेरोगेटिव. इंटेरोगेटिव में पहले क्या आया? हेल्पिंग वर्ब. फिर क्या आया? सब्जेक्ट. अगर मैं इसे ऐसे लिख दूं तो सब्जेक्ट पहले, फिर ये हमारा इंटेरोगेटिव है, ये हमारा एफर्मेटिव. अफर्मेटिव है. अब ऊपर क्या है? व्हाट शुड वी. पहले हेल्पिंग वर्ब, फिर सब्जेक्ट. क्वेश्चन मार्क नजर आ रहा है सेंटेंस में कहीं? दिस इज नॉट एन इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. व्हेन इट्स नॉट एन इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस, देन वी यहाँ पे आएगा और शुड यहाँ पे आएगा. व्हाट वी शुड डू. Got it? Yeah. Next one. I do not understand what to make employees so agitated on such trivial issues. Trivial क्या होता है? Petty issues. छोटे मोटे मैटर. Trivial is छोटे मोटे किस्से. Petty issues. I do not understand what to make employees so agitated on such trivial issues. What to make employees? I do not understand what to make. नहीं. What makes employees so agitated on such trivial issues? What make employees? Next. Who of the two is joining the team? Same logic. Who of the two, मैंने आपको अभी who और which के बारे में डिफरेंस करवाया था. When you have to choose, ठीक है, तो आप क्या लगाते हो? who नहीं लगाते हो. Then you use which to choose. Right? Next one. The boy whom you thought was an angel turns out to be a rock. Whom? The boy whom you know. You thought it was an angel. Whom नहीं. Who you know thought. जिसे तुम जानते थे. Next one. Very easy. फिर क्या आएगा? Myself नहीं आता, क्या आएगा? I and Ramanujan will take care of the function on Saturday. या फिर Ramanujan and I. 2-3-1 वाला लॉजिक भूल जाते हो? नॉर्मल सेंटेंसेस में सेकंड पर्सन, फिर थर्ड पर्सन, फिर फर्स्ट पर्सन. I and Ramanujan नहीं, Ramanujan and I. Next one. I and Sumesh will proceed on journey tomorrow as it is an auspicious day according to my uncle. Yes. I, bache, I, first person, Sumesh, you are talking about someone, third person. ये order तब होता है 1 2 3 1 2 3 तो होता ही नहीं है. Yes, 1 2 3 होता है when there is some mistake. कुछ एक्सेप्ट करना है आपने, कोई गिल्ट है आपके अंदर, कुछ एडमिट करना है आपने. अदरवाइज इट शुड बी सुमेश एंड आई. मॉडल के लिए हाँ. हु इज सूटिंग, हु फिट नहीं हो रहा ना यहाँ पे. मॉडल के लिए हु नहीं लगेगा. which cost $385 was introduced. Good morning. Wake up. Sleeping, almost sleeping in class. Laser beams can carry long distance signals in a way somewhat similar to radio waves. What? Radio waves what? Comparison किसका कर रहे हो? Laser beams can carry long distance signals. ठीक है? In a way somewhat similar to radio waves carry करती हैं. Radio waves के बाद साथ में तो do लगाओ. जैसे कि radio waves do that act. रेडियो वेव्स के साथ कंपैरिजन नहीं है, रेडियो वेव्स जैसा करती हैं उसके साथ कंपैरिजन. तो देयर इज मिसिंग समथिंग इन द एंड. नेक्स्ट वन. क्या आएगा? विच नहीं आएगा, whom नहीं आएगा, who आएगा. Who I know, a man I know very well, is trustworthy beyond doubt and meticulous in his habits. But careful, very careful. Over concerned. Meticulous is, what is it? I was going to write the meaning of the word. Okay. That was the last question for today. I hope you got it. Thank you for finishing the questions. Right? That's all for today. Thank you.